In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get all generals in Stick-War 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly unlock all of the generals in Stick-War 3. So to find out the requirements, all that you have to do is go over to the progression window. Now, you will be able to browse through all of the progression cards, and if you look at the top, you will find the cards referring to each of the generals. It's these golden ones here. Now, you can also go over to play and then go over to either the proving grounds or the tutorial. Choose any of the stages, and when you browse through the units category, you will be able to select the generals from here. So as you can see, the current generals that we have on Stick-War 3 are going to be the Arcus, Atrios, Spiros, Thera, King Zarek, and finally Marokai. And all that you have to do to unlock these generals is, like I said, to get the required progression card. You can also tap on this little lock icon and you will be immediately redirected into the specific card that you have to unlock. So as you can see, for me to get Marokai, I required Spirit Deads. So all that I have to do now is do it backwards. So what do I need to do to get Spirit's Deads? I need to get the Rune of Reanimation. So all that you have to do to unlock the general is to get all these prior progression cards. So just go tapping on each of them and you will be able to make a list of what you have to do. So in this example here, to get Marokai, first I'll have to unlock the Enslaved Miner, then I'll have to get the Secret Tunnel, the Bomber, Acid Rain, Toxic Totality, Rune of Reanimation, finally Spirit Deads, and then I'll be able to get Marokai. Of course, each of these progression cards is going to require a specific thing that you need to complete, like winning matches with a specific unit, or doing some sort of combo, some sort of thing. Eventually, you will be able to get to the general. And as you can see, there's other generals here that you can also unlock by confirming these progression nodes here. I hope I was able to help you on how to get all generals in Stick-War 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.